In this video, I will show you how to make your second YouTube channel. Those who have their own YouTube channel, then you can add and create a new YouTube channel again. So to make a new YouTube channel, then you have to go to the sign in to YouTube and click on the user icon at the top right of the screen here. Then click on the and sign in and go for the next steps. Then you have to go for the youtube.com and click on the gear icon to get your accounts of YouTube setting here. Just click on the setting options. Then you have to click on the this option, add or manage your channels. See here, some things changed on 2020, so you have to click on the add or manage your channels. Then I have the channels in here, so now you can create a new channel. Click on create. Now you have to put your own channel name. Here I will enter a new channel's name. I'm creating a new channel, ICT Dictionary. ICT Dictionary. This is my channel. You can make your own channel. Okay, click on create. So it's going on. Then it's already created. It's created, and you can add your own logo or banner. Now you can customize your channel. So if you don't know, or if you want to know more about the customized channel, hello my friends, of course you have to subscribe my channels and click on the bell icon, because every day I will provide you one tutorial which is very helpful for you. Please write a comment in the below. Thank you very much.